So talk to me about the transfer portal and how you've been so successful.
Yeah, it's not easy. I've got a great staff. Those guys are also high-level recruiters. That's why I hired them. I think when you're successful, though, the way we were winning the league and then just losing so many guys, we lost 91% of our production in minutes. You know, the next wave of guys that, you know, we bring on these recruiting visits, it's easy to just sell opportunity.
Right.
That was an easy thing to do. We won last year. This is how we did it. And these are the guys that left. And when you're a competitor, once you get outside the NIL conversation, you want to be able to have a transparent view of, you know, where you stand, where you fit, and where the opportunity is. And we were able to do that. We're very, very intentional with the guys that we needed at the positional needs that we needed. A lot of programs, you know, when you lose that much, you're talking for each player, each position, maybe 2 or 3 guys. That's, you know, 2 or 3 official visits. You know, we actually went 7 for 7 in the 11 that we ended up signing. So it made it just a lot easier down the stretch for us to just kind of focus on some of the supporting cast that we needed for our roster. But it wasn't easy. But again, when you win and there's opportunity, it gets a little bit easier.